I started to do some programming. We are running 2 Chauvet color palettes, and we're running 6 of the Slim Par 64s, all in the same chain and off the same board. So whenever I started to program the color palettes, I couldn't get them to break down into their lower channel mode. They come in 27 channel mode, but they have a few different options. There's a 15 channel mode, a 9 channel mode, a 6 channel mode, and a 3 channel mode. And basically all it's doing is breaking this light down into sections on inside it. Here, check it out. So we're using the Chauvet Obey 40 board, DMX cable, DMX'd into the color palette. The color palette's set to DMX mode, and it is my only fixture going right now, so I have the chain terminator on it, and it is addressed as 1. So, fixture 1, check this out. So I don't want it doing all this kind of crazy stuff. I just want the whole thing to be a solid color. And none of these other faders are, yeah, there you go. Here, check this out. This is 27 channel mode. So there's another fader, there's another fader, and I still haven't left this one square. I'm just lighting it up with the red, green, and the blue LEDs. To get to the next square, I would be doing the next set of 3 faders. But I don't want to do that. I want one fader to control the entire thing, so we have to break it down into a lower channel setting. So to get it into 6 channel mode, which would control the entire palette, we need a value of 60 on our first slider. So channel 1 needs to be on 60. And that should put channels 4, 5, and 6 as red, green, blue, respectively. Channel 3 should be a strobe, and channel 2 should be nothing. So let's check it out. There's 4, yep, red. There's 5, it's green. 6, blue. And 3, we make it strobe once it gets up to a high value. That's at about 244. So, I couldn't find anything on this on YouTube yesterday at all. And once I did find it, it was basically a tutorial on how to just chain these. So hopefully this will help somebody out there with these lights. Don't forget your chain terminator. Don't be using XLR cables. Take it easy.